Here's how to make a voicemail on your iPhone. Now, the first step is let's open up the phone app here. Once you've opened up the phone app, you can see at the very bottom right is voicemail. So let's tap on that. And you might have various voicemails on there, basically people that have called you and left a voicemail. If you wanted to make your own voicemail greeting, you're going to tap where it says greeting at the very top right. Now it says retrieving greeting, and if you've already created your own custom greeting, something that says like, hey, you've reached Trevor's phone, leave a message after the beep, and then it beeps. Basically, you can see custom here. I already have mine, but if it's always set to default, all you need to do is switch it over to custom. And now you have a couple different options. You can hit record here. Hey, Trevor. Not hey, Trevor. Hey, this is Trevor. You've reached my voicemail. Leave a message after the beep. Now, let's say, okay, I messed that up and I want to record it again. I can always just tap on record again. Hey, this is Trevor. You've reached my voicemail. Leave a message after the beep. Now you can tap on the little blue play button here if you want to just play that back and see if you like it. And if you do, all you need to do is hit the save button at the very top right. Now, after you've saved this, we're going to first head into the settings here, and you need to make sure a couple of different things are turned on. So let's scroll down to the bottom and tap on apps. And then from here, let's find the phone section. So find P and tap on phone. From here, let's scroll down to the bottom, and there are two different things. One is live voicemail. You might want to turn this on. Essentially, this means when someone is leaving a voicemail on your phone, you'll be able to see the live text as they're saying it, and you'll even be given the option to basically pick up that phone call in the middle of the voicemail. So you can see the voicemail. Oh, I actually do want to talk to that person, and you can hit accept and basically join the call. Now, the other thing is the change voicemail password. You might want to enter in a voicemail password here that you remember. Essentially, this allows you to call from any other phone anywhere in the world. You can call your phone number and check your voicemail just by entering in that phone number and the password here. Essentially, it allows you to be able to check it even though you don't necessarily have your iPhone on you. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.